Good morning. Today I am going to discuss how to grow radish at home. It's very simple to grow. You take anything. It could be anything. Don't buy. Please don't buy, okay? Take the seeds. This is how the seed looks. Just place it like this. That's all it takes, folks. That's all. Put some home compost or any mud. It can grow in anywhere. So we can just even throw it out and it will still grow. So it's very simple to grow. That's all it takes, folks. That's it, right? If you don't get seeds, you will get radishes, right? So you just cut it out like this before eating. What I usually do, I keep a container like this, and whenever I eat any vegetable or fruits, I just chunk them in so that it doesn't dry out, and you can see that it has already started growing even here. See, one tiny thing has become. Obviously this is too little, you have to cut little big, right? So once you cut it like this, best is like this, so once you have cut like that, you can even grow in this small thing. You just put it like this. Even the roots can act as a fertilizer. Put in the side because you don't want it to be right, it can get some bugs. So these needs no farm, like it doesn't need organic thing, because obviously it's a root plant. You don't want to give you need pure soil for it. For initial development, yes, it's okay, because it will speed up growth. That's all it takes, folks. Don't go, right? I'm going to cover more ways. Like, I'm going to cover how this simple can save your life. And this is a paid video, so please make a contribution. You can pay $15 or £10. The bank details, the payment details will be below. We will cover 10 ways to eat this radishes. 10 ways which can help you increase your chances of survival. Like, it's a dangerous period, right? Increase your chances of survival by any say coronavirus or any other by 99%. It can decrease infection, like our video can decrease infection rate by 99%. So don't go. We will cover in details how it all works, right? So this humble radish you can eat just like that. You can even grow as a microgreen, like I have planted here, right? You have seen it. So it will soon, what will happen, like it will grow into this microgreens. So when it is small, when the see big, you can start eating them. That has 20 times the nutrient content than normal radishes. Radishes are anti-cancerous, but the one you buy from market will actually give you cancer because it has so much chemical. They put herbicide, pesticide, and then the shopkeeper or the vendors put preservatives. It's not worth buying this radish from the market. You have to grow it. If you can't grow it, we have an app as well. You can just go to website and in few clicks you can grow it anywhere. Best grow it at your home, right? So you can eat the microgreen. When it becomes big, you can eat the leaf, right? There's nothing stopping you from eating the leaf as well. You can eat the pods. So these are the pods, right? So these pods are very good. They are, again, it's one of the best. It is what you call insulin. It increases insulin resistance. It improves that thing. Okay, with that, because I'm using technical terms now, there's a disclaimer. If you have any disease, please consult your doctor. I'm just a food engineer. I'm Praveen, agriculture and food engineer from IIT Kharagpur. So I'm not a doctor. So if you have any medical condition, please consult your doctor. And plus, their business has to go, right? I can only prevent you getting from disease from 99%. Like, I will increase your chances of not getting a disease by 99%, right? But if you get sick or if you're already sick, please consult a doctor. As I said, their shop needs to run as well, right? So another way to eat is when they flower. So you can eat the leaf, which is good. You can eat the flowers. When they flower, you can eat the flowers as well. When they form pods, you can eat the pods. This pods, you can see the plant. I'll show you the plant. So this is the pods. You can eat the leaf, like this leaf. You can eat this leaf. You can eat the pods. You can cook the leaf and eat as well. You can cook the radishes and eat as well. There are many ways to eat. And they're very hardy plant, you know. It grows very fast. So we covered, and there's still, at the end I will list down what are the benefit of a radish are. At the end I will cover how to add, like make it 10 years younger, like that I'll cover at the end, like very quick tips how can we add. So it prevents, as we discussed, it prevents cancer, improves digestion, fight fungus, it prevents diabetes or improved diabetes, if you are improved skin, like it makes you younger, it's very hydrating. It's very good for health, like it's one of the complete food, like which covers every part, like, and plus we cover, if you are watching my video, I have videos which covers 500 food, like this. Our body is not made from one chemical, it's not made from chemical at all, it's made from hundreds, thousands, or you can say lakhs of millions of compounds, right? And the same we can get from 100 variety of food, and eating different, like every part, like this radish is different, the leaf is different, the microgreen is different, that has 20 times the higher concentration, and the one grown in home is different, because, and the one grown in a different mud is different, because the mud also makes it different. So you don't have to think actually, you just grow it everywhere in different environment, even in your home, like you can grow here, inside the jar if you like, inside this if you like you can even dry it like this. You can dry radishes, like people say it's not possible. See, I've dried, this is not radishes, this is strawberry, like I've dried, we have so much strawberry, you can see we get like 500 foods from this small garden. So we grow foods in garden, we grow in a rooftop, like we have a store in Mandsaur, right? We also have farms, hundreds of farms, so we grow every possible way. It provides vitamin A, C, K, B, C, K, right? Everything. Antioxidant, like your body needs antioxidant. It also has all the minerals like zinc, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, calcium, iron, manganese. It improves, it helps you weight loss as well. Like if you're looking to weight loss, it helps you. It's a low glycemic index. It reduces glucose absorption. So if the same food which you're eating, you will not add weight, or because it reduces your glucose absorption. So now we are at the end of the that. As promised, I will give you another tip. So basically, you tell me what you're eating, right? What is your day to day you eat for 5 days, say a week, right? And I will tell you what one extra thing you can add, or one extra thing you can remove, which can improve which can add 10 years to your life, or make it younger by 10 years. And we can measure it. So everything we said is backed by scientific study. And we can even measure it myself. Like you can actually send me, upload your blood report. Like I especially looking for blood counts. So with that, I can actually predict what's your chances of death with coronavirus, right? So we can see if you are improving or decreasing, right? So we can actually evaluate. Like audit is as important as, is the food working or not working, is as important as trying all this food, right? You're made from chemical, you're not made from food, right? So before you try to eat natural food, not processed food, yeah, we will prove that it works. So don't worry. If you're skeptical, you think that chemical eating from a Mac or any other junk like Coke, anything is better, we will prove you that this works. So upload your blood report and we can see the improvement. If you don't have blood report, I will give you a simple technique, right? You can just jump like this, hop for 30 seconds. See how many can you do, or how many can you do before you give up, and see if that improves. Do it every day. Tell me the number. Comment every day that how many hops did you do. Like simple, very simple. 30 seconds. How many can you do? Or can you do it for a minute? How long can you do? How many you can do in 30 seconds? So we will see right there, we will get the evidence that it works. Right? Our friendship will go on for hundreds of years, even thousands. If you follow my technique, there is no reason why you have to die. We will fight. Obviously, we are adding more years. We don't know how to make you live for 200 now, but scientists are adding, say, 1 year every year. And you understand, adding 1 year every year means what? Like, it's technically mean that in 10 years we added 10 years. In last 5 years we added 5 years, which means theoretically, if you do that, it will keep adding years. And if you see Moore's law, like, they predicted a transistor will double its capacity every year, and it's true for last 30 years. Now a capacitor, electronic capacitor, is 30 million times faster than what it started. And make sure to pay. Your life is, world is as important as your life. We have saved your life, but we have to save this world. You also need to breathe better. So when your contribution will help us. We are into tree plantation, so we are in the business of saving businesses, saving the world and humanity. So this world is as important as your life. We will save your life, no doubt, for free, but we also need to save the world, for which we need to plant tree, which need to buy land, and we need money, right? To make this video also we need money. So you can contribute. Well, like, I'm not saying you have to contribute what we are asking. You can contribute whatever you can afford. If you are a business, we can help you increase your business. If you are a student, we can help you learn better. No matter what you're doing, we can help you do better and be successful in life. And we will be keep talking. Thanks a lot. Bye. Hello. Subscribe. And don't forget to share. Goodness is contagious.